In a major breakthrough, former Uttarakhand Bharatiya Janata Party leader Mukesh Bora has been arrested in Uttar Pradesh on Wednesday. His arrest comes after being on run for over 3 weeks. What's even more concerning is that Bora faces serious allegations of raping a 36-year-old woman and molesting her 12-year-old daughter. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Bora's arrest was confirmed by Nainital Superintendent of Police Prahlad Narayan Meena. He revealed that Bora was captured in Rampur district and was arrested after a long search. Bora also served as the administrator of the Uttarakhand Cooperative Dairy Federation and was evading the police authorities since a complaint was filed against him on September 1st. According to reports, the police suspected that he received assistance from the milk contractors linked to the Dairy Federation, aiding his evasion from the law enforcement. The allegations against Mukesh Bora are very severe. According to victim, he promised her to a permanent job, which led to her trust in him, ultimately resulting in repeated assaults by Bora. Following the emergence of these severe allegations, Bora was suspended from BJP and was removed from his position at the Uttarakhand Cooperative Dairy Federation. In order to trace Bora, police teams were dispatched across multiple states, including Delhi, Rajasthan and Punjab. Bora's evasion efforts culminated in non-bailable warrant issued against him after he fled upon the lodging of complaint. On September 21st, the Uttarakhand High Court denied his plea for the anticipatory bail. The court reinforced the stringent measures of protection of children from Sexual Offences Act. The police also confirmed and confiscated Bora's assets, emphasizing the commitment to seeking justice for the victim and her daughter. The police's rigorous efforts for tracking Bora included forming several teams and implementing surveillance. His arrest finally came after an informer provided tip-off about his whereabouts. After being taken into custody, Bora was presented before the court and subsequently remanded to judicial custody. Following his arrest, Bora also spoke to the media, asserting that he was a victim of political conspiracy aimed at undermining his reputation and defaming his public image. He expressed faith in the local deity Golu Devta and in the judiciary, claiming that the truth would eventually prevail. Despite his assertions of innocence, the nature of the crimes against him paints a grim picture. The victim's account is deeply concerning. She alleges that Bora raped her multiple times and also molested her 12-year-old minor daughter. Furthermore, she claims that Kamal Belwal, Bora's driver, threatened her life after she resisted pressure to engage with Bora's associates. In a subsequent development, the Uttarakhand police have booked 4 individuals for allegedly assisting Bora in avoiding the arrest. The arrest of Mukesh Bora marks a pivotal moment in the pursuit of justice for the victims, and further developments are awaited as the authorities continue to investigate the circumstances surrounding these serious allegations. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.